Okay students, present we are discussing 40 group elements or 14th group elements in this chapter. So only one topic is remaining. After completion of this topic we will go for some very short answers. Why? Because here in this chapter you are going to get maximum very short answers, 2 plus 2. So one chapter only remaining, that is the uses of carbon. After discussing uses of carbon we go for very short answers. Okay, we go for very short answers. After discussing uses of carbon we go for very short answers. Okay, see here students, first of all only one topic it is remaining, that is uses of carbon. Uses of carbon. So you have to know uses of carbon. So here graphite fibers embedded with plastic material which forms high strength and lightweight composites. Okay, see here graphite fibers, it is generally we will discuss. Uses means generally we will discuss. On writing you may know, it is no matter to explain in this one. So here first one, graphite fibers embedded with plastic materials to form high strength and lightweight composites high strength and lightweight composites. Okay, so graphite fibers embedded means adding with plastic materials to form high strength and lightweight composites. Okay, and these composites are used in making of fishing rods, tennis rackets, aircrafts, and canoes. Canoes means small narrow boats are called canoes, which are in Kashmir lakes, canoes. Okay, so these composites are used in making fishing rods, tennis rackets and aircrafts and canoes. Okay, being good conductor, okay, it is used in batteries in batteries as electrodes, as electrodes, and industrial electrolysis, industrial electrolysis. Okay, being good conductor, so it is used in batteries as electrodes and industrial electrolysis. For electrolysis, so graphite is used, which is act as a electrodes, electrodes means which is a anode and a cathode, like that we may use. Okay, next, activated charcoal is a good adsorbent of poisonous gases. Okay, activated charcoal is good adsorbent of poisonous gases. Okay, see here, activated charcoal is used as adsorbent, is used as adsorbent for poisonous gases, Okay, at the same time it is used as a filtered in purification of water. At the same time it is used as a filter in purification of water. Okay, and activated charcoal is used as a filters in purification of water, Okay, so activated charcoal is used as a filters in purification of water. Next, carbon black is used as a black pigment in black ink. Carbon black is used as a black pigment in black ink. Okay, carbon black is used as a black pigment in carbon black. Next, see, coal is used as a fuel. Okay, which gives more energy. On burning coal, which gives more energy, so that's why coal is used as a fuel. Okay, coal is used as fuel energy. Okay, and coke is used as reducing agent in metallurgy. Okay, reducing agent in metallurgy. Next, diamond is a precious stone. Which is used in jewelry. Already you know that. So next, diamond is precious stone is used in jewelry. Okay, so these are the uses of carbon. These are the uses of carbon. Okay, so graphite fibers embedded with plastic materials to form high strength and lightweight composites. These composites are used in making fishing rods, plus tennis rackets, aircrafts and canoes. Canoes means narrow ships, narrow boats. Canoes means narrow boats. Narrow boats. Next, being good conductor, it is used in batteries as electrodes and industrial electrolysis. Okay, activated charcoal is used as adsorbent for poisonous gases. So some crucibles made with graphite are inert to acids and alkalis. Okay, crucibles made with graphite. Okay, crucibles made with graphite are inert to acids and alkalis, are inert to alkalis and bases. Okay, crucibles made with graphite are inert. Inert means they don't react to alkalis. Alkalis means bases. Alkalis and acids. Alkalis bases is the same. Alkalis and acids. Alkalis means bases and acids. Okay, so these are uses of carbon. Carbon black is used as a black pigment in black ink. So coal is used as a fuel energy. So coke is used as reducing agent in metallurgy. So diamond is a precious stone which is used in jewelry. So crucibles made with graphite are inert to alkalis and acids. So this is the last topic. It is a general topic. On reading these points you may understood. Okay, no need explanation of this topic. So next we will discuss some very short answers which are given in material. See, very short question number 4. Give the hybridization of carbon in following. Question number 4 we are going to discuss. Very short answers. See here, VSAQ question number 4. Give the hybridization of carbon. It is VSAQ. Give the hybridization of carbon carbon in the following. Give the hybridization of carbon in the following. It is VSAQ question number 4, important. Okay, 2 marks. It is a 2 marks. So first one, A CO3 minus 2. A CO3 minus 2. So B diamond. Diamond. C graphite. Graphite. And D fullerenes. Fullerenes. 4 halves 2 marks. 4 is given, 4 halves 2 marks. First of all, you know it's a structure CO3 minus 2. C single bond, single bond, single bond. Like this it's a structure. Like this it's a structure. Then it forms double bond O and O minus and O minus. CO3 minus 2. Okay, like this. CO3 minus 2. sp1 p2. It is sp2 hybridization. It is a sp2 hybridization. Its structure is like this. Its structure is like this. It gaining means its structure is like sp1 p2, sp2 hybridization. Next, diamond. It is sp2 diamond, sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Graphite, sp2 hybridization. Graphite fullerenes is the same, sp2 hybridization. Okay, so this is gives the structure, give the hybridization of the atom, carbon atom in the following, like this. So here carbon atom sp1 p2. Here you have to know its structure. CO3 minus 2 means COO3 minus 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 2. So it is sp2, sp3, sp2 and it is a sp2. sp2 means 120 degrees bond angle. 109 degrees 28 minutes, 120 degrees bond angle. It is a 120 degrees bond angle. So here bond angle is 120 degrees. Here 109 degrees 28 minutes. 109 degrees 28 minutes. Here 120 degrees bond angle. Here 120 degrees bond angle. Understand? So including it is a very short answer. So one more very short answer we will see. Okay. So these, it is important. What is allotropy? Give the crystalline allotropes of carbon. What is allotropy? Give the crystalline allotropes of carbon. Already we explained. What is allotropy? The physical existence of the element into 2 or more forms. The existence of the phenomenon of existence of the element into 2 or more physical forms and having similar chemical properties are known as allotropy. So carbon forms 3 crystalline allotropes: diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Okay, so that is the question given. Remaining are direct questions. Remaining are direct questions. Only this one is an indirect question. That's why I explained that. Okay, so this is the way. This is the way we will discuss hybridization. Give the hybridization of carbon in the following. It is half mark question. It is a half mark. It is half mark. It is half mark. It is half mark. Scheme of evaluation. So half mark. Half mark. Total 2 marks. Okay, this is the way scheme of evaluation will be given to you. Okay, so 4th A group elements is over. 4th A group elements or 14th group elements is over. This is the 11th chapter. 12th chapter is deleted. 12th chapter is deleted. Next we go for 13th chapter, organic chemistry. Next we go for 13th chapter, organic chemistry. Okay, so that is the last chapter. That is the big chapter which it can takes nearly 1 month, above 1 month. Why? Because which carries 12 marks nearly, one long answer, two very shorts, 10 marks chapter, one long answer, one very short answer will come from that chapter. So tomorrow onwards we will discuss organic chemistry very slowly. Why? Because so basics is required. Basics is required to discuss organic chemistry. I saw your SSC book, but maximum basics is not given in that. So I will give spoon feedback in that chapter. So each and every class you have to attend. Each and every class of last chapter you have to attend, and you have to practice. You have to work day to day. You have to work. Then only you will get a benefit. Okay. So this is our today's class. So fourth A group elements is over. So total we have 13 chapters. One chapter is deleted, environmental chemistry. Remaining 12 chapters we have to discuss. Already 11 chapters we discussed, and 12th chapter is deleted, environmental chemistry. We will discuss after finishing of 13th chapter. So 13th chapter organic chemistry we are going to discuss in the next class. That is a very important chapter. That is the starting organic chemistry, about organic compounds. Basic concepts we are going to learn. So everyone should carefully attend that class.